What's the meaning of chamber orchestra? Chamber orchestra. Chamber orchestra.
Chamber orchestra. Chamber orchestra. A chamber orchestra is a smaller ensemble commonly consisting of approximately 10 to 40 musicians. Unlike a symphony orchestra, a chamber orchestra often performs without a conductor and focuses on a more intimate and nuanced style of performance. It typically features a blend of string, wind, and brass instruments, with each musician having a distinctive role. The size of a chamber orchestra allows for greater flexibility and communication among the performers, resulting in a more cohesive and dynamic musical experience.